In this tutorial, I'll show you how to collect payment information without charging with Jotform. This is useful when you want to collect payment details for future transactions without immediately processing a charge. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to modify and click Edit Form. Once you're in the form builder, click Add Element on the left side. Open the Payments tab and select Stripe to add the payment element to your form. Next, click the Payment Properties icon to open the payment settings. In the Settings panel, find the Charge Customer Immediately option. By default, this is set to Yes. Toggle this option to No. This allows you to collect the payment information without immediately charging the customer. Finally, click Preview Form to test your form and make sure the payment settings work as expected. That's how to collect payment information without charging with Jotform. Thanks for watching.